Hey, I'm Ed. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the lid on your Whirlpool washer. If you're experiencing problems such as the lid not locking, the washer not starting, or unusual noises during the cycle, it might be time to inspect or replace this part. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair tutorials. Let's get into it and fix that washer. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering our T15 Torx head screwdriver for the task ahead. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With everything safely powered down and our tools in hand, we're ready to move on to troubleshooting your washer. Has your washer lid been damaged and in need of replacement? We'll show you how to replace the lid. To replace the lid, this would be a pretty straightforward repair. You will simply raise the lid. On each side of the lid, there will be 2 T15 screws that will need to be removed. Once removed, you will lift the lid off the hinge pins. Here's our new lid. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now that we have our new lid, you will need to slide the new lid back over the hinge pins and secure it with the T15 screws. You can now close the lid and you're done. Don't forget to plug the washer back in or turn on that breaker. Great job tackling the lid replacement on your Whirlpool washer. We'd love to hear how your repair went for you. Share your experience in the comments below. If you found that you need a new lid or any other parts, just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within just a few days, so you can get back to a fully functioning washer in no time. Thanks for letting us be part of your DIY repair journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.